Hello and welcome to the video on Power BI. In this video on Power BI, let us understand row level security in Power BI. Let's start. The row level security in Power BI can be classified into two types. The first one is static row level security and the other one is dynamic row level security. In this video of the tutorial, we are going to see the implementation of static row level security. For this purpose, I'm taking a dashboard which is going to analyze the number of policies in United States based on the construction materials. In the sense, we have different construction materials like wood, masonry, reinforced masonry, steel frames, and reinforced concrete. Now, I have a requirement from a user where the users who are working for wood should see only the wood based data, and the masonry people should see only masonry data, and the others as well should see their own construction material related policies. For this purpose, we are going to specify a row level security in this dashboard. To specify row level security, there are three things which we should be doing. One is we should create roles that will define who should see what data, and the second one is we should define access at the level of data set after publishing in the service. And the third thing is we should give them a meaningful name and the corresponding access should also be granted. So first we will create roles for this dashboard. For the purpose, I'm just creating a role as wood. Note that you can have any name for your role and that is not going to impact at any stage in your development. I just want to see only the data where the construction material is wood. So I'm just adding a filter like construction equal to wood. Now the role is created. How do we test if the role is going to actually work? There is a option such as view as role. Here we can select wood and pressing OK, you can see that my dashboard gets filtered for wood. Similarly, I can create few more roles. So I'm just creating one for reinforced concrete. In this, I'm going to just change the filter to reinforced concrete. Similarly, I can have filters for masonry, reinforced masonry, and steel frames. I'm saving this. Now I'm going to change my filter from wood to reinforced concrete. As you can see, now the dashboard gets filtered only for reinforced concrete. This one is going to show me only the number of policy IDs that correspond to reinforced concrete, and so is this map, which is going to show me the bifurcation by different places in United States. Once you have created this, you will be publishing this dashboard to Power BI service. After publishing the Power BI service, all you have to do is give the email ID of those users who should be accessing reinforced concrete under reinforced concrete section of your service. Similarly, grant those users who should see the wood data, their email IDs should be categorized under the wood role of your data set. In addition to this, you will, if your report has access restrictions at the level of workspace and app, the access restrictions similar to how do you usually should be granted at those levels as well. That's all in this part of the video on this row level security. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.